We were rehearsing the new piece by Sam Bordoli, Les Trésors des Ombres, which is a great mini song cycle for soprano and orchestra. And Sam's done an amazing job of using Maeterlinck texts, which of course was the librettist of Pelléas and Mélisande.
Oh, it's a real thrill to hear it for the first time. To me, all of those sounds were in my head and then they just became little pencil markings, and then to finally hear it brought to life is amazing.
The whole of the programme that we're going to play fits in with the Rêverie series that Aberdeen is doing. So apart from Sam's piece, which starts the programme, we have a suite from Pelléas and Mélisande by Debussy, which is a wonderful descriptive tone poem of the castle and the surrounding forests and the symbolic mists that permeate the piece. The second half of the programme we have Amor Brujo, which is by Diva. And finally, the end of the programme is the Mother Goose suite by Ravel. These particular pieces have been chosen because they really fit in with the whole Aberdeen festival, the French, impressionistic and Spanish, and they have a wonderful, it's all about feel and colour and atmosphere.